Now children, today let's start with unit 3, that is my country India, chapter number 18, major Indian sites. So you have to read the clues and fill the crossword using suitable names of the major Indian cities. First let's study about across. The city is known as City of Pearl. आपको बताना है कि कौन सी सिटी आपकी City of Pearl कहा जाता है. The city which is called, that is your Hyderabad. Right? 7, the modern city known as City of Garden. आपको modern city बताने हैं जिसको हम City of Garden कहते हैं, that is Bengaluru. Now 8-1, the city is popularly known as the Pink City. What is the Pink City? That is your Jaipur. Now, one is in India, only city that has trams and trams means small trains that run on special built rail on road. That is Kolkata. The city is the capital of our country. That is New Delhi. The city was formerly known as Madras, famous from 30-kilometer long Mariana Beach. That is Chennai. The city was formerly known as Bombay. It is the home of the Indian film city. Right? That is Mumbai. Which one of the oldest city in the world? It is popular known as City of Temple. That is Varanasi. Right? Now this chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 19. Tallest, highest and largest. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the help of clue box. Here clue box has been given to you. So the largest mosque in India. Now the largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid. The largest zoo in India. आपको largest zoo बताना है, that is Alipur Zoo. The largest dam, that is Hirapur. Right? जो सबसे बड़ा डैम है वो आपका हीराकुंड डैम है. The largest lake in India, that is Dal Lake. Largest lake कौन सा है? Dal Lake. Next is the largest waterfall. That is Jog waterfall. इंडिया का सबसे largest waterfall क्या है? Jog water. Longest river in India. That is Ganga. The highest mountain peak, that is K2. Next is biggest stadium in India. सबसे बड़ा स्टेडियम बताना आपको इंडिया का, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एडन गार्डन. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? एडन गार्डन. हाईएस्ट मीनार इन इंडिया, दैट इज कुतुब मीनार. हाईएस्ट मीनार कौन सा आपका? कुतुब मीनार. Dash is a desert of India, that is Thar. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 20, National Parks and Sanctuary. Right? Our government has declared many forests as the protected area. Right? So, the wildlife sanctuary called National Park or the National Park, they are the great places of attraction. So many tourists come to see this park, and these are quite different form of zoo where animals are kept in captivity. So here is one of the wild animal in their natural habitat. Fill in the blanks. First is Dash is situated in Assam. That is Kaziranga. Kaziranga National Park. Dash is situated in West Bengal. That is Jalda. Dash is situated in Madhya Pradesh. That is your national park. That is situated in Bihar. That is Hazirabad. That is situated in Odisha, Simlipal. Dash is situated in Kashmir, Gachigam. Dash is situated in Gujarat. Dash is situated in Kerala. Periyar. Dash is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Dash is situated in Karnataka. कर्नाटका में क्या सिचुएटेड है आपका? बांदीपुर. Dash is situated in Tamil Nadu. Madhemalai. That is situated in Odisha. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 21. Freedom fighters. So let's study about some freedom fighters, right, who sacrificed, who devoted their life for the freedom of India. Now, fondly remembered, and he formed Azad Hind Fauj. Political guru of Mahatma Gandhi founded Servants of Indian Society, that is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Known as लोकमान्य gave the slok Swaraj is my birthright. किसने दिया था आपके? Swaraj is my birthright, that is Bal Gangadhar known as Grand Old Man of India and father of Indian politics, Lala Lajpat Rai. Founder of Indian National Congress, that is AOU. Fondly remembered as Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi. Known as Lion of Punjab, died of injury, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 22, Diversity in India. So India is a country of great diversity. Diversity in India is its power. It is a land of natural beauty and of different culture. And in ancient time, it was known as Golden Bird. It's called Golden Bird. Now let's fill in the blanks. Dash is the major crop of India. There are now dash states in our country, 28 states. Dash is the capital of India. Capital क्या है इंडिया की? Delhi. Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Dash is the main river. कौन सी है main river आपकी? गंगा. Dash is the most important mineral. सबसे important mineral क्या है? Coal. There are dash union territory. कितनी है आपकी union territory? 7. Dash is the national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man. India is situated on the largest continent of the world, Asia. Forest cover dash percent of the total area, 22%. India has dash officially recognized language in 1992. कितनी language थी आपकी? 80. In area, dash is largest and dash is smallest state of India. कौन सी है? Largest तो आपकी MP मध्य प्रदेश और smallest आपकी गोवा. Now dash is the 7th wonder of the world. तो कौन सा आपका? ताजमहल. Now that this chapter has been complete, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 23, historical year. You have to match these columns. First is 1853, first railway line open. 1869, birth of Mahatma Gandhi. 889, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 1919, Jallianwala Bagh. 1920, a visit of Simon Commission. 1951, first 5-year plan come. 1952, first general election held. 1961, liberation of Goa. 1964, Hindu-Pak War. 1965, death of Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 1969, डेथ ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट जाकिर हुसैन और आपका 1974 में न्यूक्लियर ब्लास्ट किया था. राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 24, डेज स्पेशल. So India became independent on August 15, 1947. So every year we celebrate the day as Independence Day. So here some clues has been given. You have to match them and write them. Flag Day कब होता है? December 7. For spreading awareness about, यहाँ पे ही लिख देती हूँ मैं आपको G. For spreading awareness about threat to environment. Next is your Rose Day. Rose Day कब होता है आपका? That is September 22. और इसका ऑप्शन है फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द कैंसर पेशेंट्स. फादर्स डे कब होता है? June 20. फॉर शोइंग लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू योर फादर. तो आपको यहाँ पे जे लिखना है ऐसे. अर्थ डे April 22. तो होता है वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे होता है. कब होता है? April 22. For awareness of conserving our earth. So IL. So World Population Day, July 5, July 11. To realize the need of population. देखो population से related है to population control. Our Environment Day, June 5. June 5, G. किसान दिवस December 7. December 23 for welfare of the armed forces. For to pledge the spread of literacy. तो A आएगा. Next is Children's Day, 40th November. Birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Teachers Day, September 5 September. Birthday of S. Radhakrishnan. Right, now our unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.